Water hyacinth, or Icornia chrysops, is a significant floating aquatic weed. Originating from South America, it forms dense mats, doubling in size every 12 days. This rapid growth severely impacts ecosystems and economies. Identifying water hyacinth is straightforward. Look for its distinctive inflated petiole, which provides buoyancy. The leaves are glossy and rounded, rising 15 to 50 centimeters above the water. When in bloom, the flowers display pale lavender to purple spikes with a yellow spot. The roots hang in feathery, dark purple-black masses below the water. This plant grows alarmingly fast, thriving in warm, nutrient-rich waters. A single plant can occupy a hectare in months under optimal conditions. Its growth stems from vegetative reproduction, producing new floating units rapidly. It can also develop long-lasting seed banks in sediments. Water hyacinth mats block 90 to 99% of sunlight, suffocating submerged plants. This leads to decreased oxygen levels, resulting in fish kills. The stagnant water creates ideal breeding grounds for mosquitoes. Even when removed, decaying mats can cause harmful algal blooms. Originally from tropical Brazil, water hyacinth has spread across southeastern US states like Florida and Texas. It prefers shallow, warm waters and can thrive without frost. Controlling water hyacinth involves multiple strategies: mechanical removal, herbicide use, and biological controls. Mechanical removal offers immediate results but requires complete extraction to prevent regrowth. Chemical treatments, including EPA-registered herbicides, can be effective but must be applied carefully. Biological agents, like specific weevils, provide long-term suppression. To summarize, water hyacinth is an invasive species posing severe ecological risks. Management requires an integrated approach combining mechanical, chemical, and biological methods. If you encounter water hyacinth, report it to local environmental agencies. Together, we can combat this floating aquatic weed.